Good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching Calcine TV live from our Sydney studios. This is the last show of the day, the last trade. The S&P ASX 200 closed up today, gaining 9.20 points or 0.12% and setting a new 20-day high. The top performing stocks in this index were Whiteheaven Coal up 6.39% and Brickworks up as well 5.23%. Over the past 5 days, the index has gained 1.88%, but is still virtually unchanged over the last year-to-date period. And now for a look at the stocks that were in the news today, starting with Brickworks, whose shares rose nearly 5% in the early trades after the infrastructure company reported record numbers for its half-yearly results. The stock rose at 4.73% to the intraday high of $22.82 from its previous closing price of $21.79. Brickworks is in the business of manufacturing, selling and distributing building products in Australia. Its board also announced a fully franked interim dividend of 22 cents a share, which is a rise of 1% on the prior corresponding period. The record date for the interim dividend is the 12th of April, with payment expected on the 3rd of May. And then also in the news today, shares of ASX listed media company Southern Cross Media Group, soared over 8% today. Investors are keeping track of the stock on their radars after the company announced a buyback offer and announced to receive bids for its TV business. The stock traded 8.153% higher at $1.75 today. Southern Cross Media has dropped 21% over the last 12 months, and it's fallen 16% as well on a year-to-date basis this year. However, it has slightly improved in the previous week, gaining 1%. And then milk products producer Synlait Milk has increased forecast prices from $9.25 New Zealand cents per kilogram of milk solids to 9.60. Generally speaking, the New Zealand company announces forecast milk price updates on the month of January, May and September, although this time Synlait has not followed its usual cycle. Reportedly, the prices of dairy products are expected to remain high until the middle of the year, and therefore investors can expect a price upgrade out of their usual cycle until or unless some big event takes place globally. Meanwhile, today, Synlait shares are up by 1.62% and trading at just over $3. And then recently, ANZ, one of Australia's largest banks, has become the first lender to mint a stablecoin pegged to the Australian dollar. ANZ on Thursday announced that it had completed the first public permissionless blockchain transaction for an Australian bank-issued stablecoin known as ADC. Or DC, I should say. For the uninitiated, a stablecoin is a kind of digital token designed to keep its value stable with respect to another asset such as fiat currency or gold, and it's frequently used to trade other cryptocurrencies or to generate income in the decentralized financial systems. And meanwhile, ANZ shares were trading 0.50% lower at $27.74. And that is a wrap for now on the last trade, but tune in next time only on Calcine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off for the day.